What is up, Sideways Founder? We're back again today with another video, and the Ae86 is on the lift. If you didn't already see the other video that we posted about Neptunes, the car didn't end up making it all the way to our cruise. He made it about 75% of the way, and something happened to the clutch. We're not really sure what's gonna happen or what did happen. We just know that we need to pull it all apart. So shifter's already out, car's already racked up. We're gonna go ahead and pull the transmission out, see what happened. It's either gonna be a clutch fork, an input shaft, the clutch exploded. We don't really know. If you don't know much about 20-4 AGEs, it's like the initial D engine. It's kind of classified as like a Class A race motor, which is kind of like a Formula Atlantic kind of style, but like more OEM. So these revved at like about 9K factory, and it's 5 miles per cylinder, ITB. I don't know if you guys have seen them, but if you haven't, I will be showing you guys this once you get the car back down. But really quickly, since the transmissions are really small on these, it's gonna come out in probably like 30 minutes. So let me just show you guys real quick what's going on underneath, and we'll go ahead and get right into it. All right, guys, you can see all the pretty pulleys and shit that he's got on this thing. It's actually pretty badass. So transmission's already been rebuilt once and gone through. If you can see how small this stuff is, there's plenty of room on both sides to get to everything. So that shouldn't be a big deal. You got your 4 cross member bolts that you'll have to get to, obviously. You have to remove the speed sensor like every other typical Mark III Supra. And then we're gonna go ahead and just take the drive shaft out. You will drain the transmission, which is the drain plug is gonna be right here. And then obviously you're gonna get the bell housing bolts, but luckily on these ones, there's only about 4 or 5 bolts for the whole entire thing. Possibly drop the exhaust off, but on all of our kits, regardless, we're gonna have like a V-band down here anyways. So not gonna really take too long to explain all this to you guys. It's just pulling a transmission out, nothing too major, but we are eager to see what's gonna look like inside. I mean, I already see some fibers hanging out down here, so that's probably not good. Looking like he probably totally destroyed the clutch, as well as back here, we're seeing fibers actually in the clutch fork. So let's get this out real quick and see what we can do.
That I had on the other one?
That's the lightweight one that we saw, yeah. So this is what happened to the disc, guys. This is not a like pucked disc. There's literally no material on either side. Like, I guess this side has a little bit, but if you see on this, it looks like some freaking samurai sword, ninja star bullshit going on. So yeah, this thing's done. His pressure plate still feels bomb as fuck. His flywheel still looks bomb as hell. So we're gonna go ahead and replace the release bearing because we're already here and that thing's pretty chunky and it looks like it's about to go. So that's what happens, guys, when you rev your car to 9,000 RPM and just don't shift. So, or don't lift when you shift, my bad. But that's definitely a keeper for a wall right there, John.
Hell yeah.
So simple transmission reinstall. We're already all back together. So obviously it's just a clutch disc problem. So we're gonna go ahead right now, check the fluid level, put the shifter back in, and then he's back on his way. All right, guys, so you guys have probably seen this in a few of my videos already. This is our 4AGE 20 valve setup that we run in pretty much all of our Ae86s that we built over the last 5 years. You know, you got the T3 splash guard, the T3 stacks, the T3 pulley kit with the reinforced keyway so that you don't break the crank pulley since they rev so high. I got one of my custom built wiring harnesses on here that plug and play to the chassis. These are our long tube headers that we designed years and years and years ago that we have produced for our customers with one of our clutch kits. So all in all, super nice GTS Ae86. Clutch is fixed. I'm gonna get him back on the road right now. She sounds amazing, as you've probably already seen from my video of my car. Or if you haven't seen it, there's things of me driving this. We actually drive the car, the Canyon together, both of us in this car as well. So probably be setting this one up on Haltech and mine up on Link or vice versa in the future. But just a quick little video, you know what I mean? I don't know, we were just doing some stuff today. Figured I'd take some quick stuff, quick video and quick shots of this cool little build right here. So, yeah, dude, just make sure, you know, it doesn't slip. I guess it's okay, huh? All right, guys, so he's gonna go ahead and take it for a test drive. We're already done with this thing. We're gonna go ahead and go on to the next vehicle. So hope you guys like the video and keep watching, guys. So until next time, peace.